Are you looking for a budget-friendly way to embellish some items around your house? Then this little tutorial might be just for you. All you need are some napkins, Mod Podge, and some paint, and a brush, and away we go. For this little project, I've chosen this napkin. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the plies that I don't need. So I just need the top layer. So this napkin actually has 3 plies. So I'm just going to remove them. And you can see that the top ply is very transparent. So I chose a lighter color just to make the decoupage napkin pop. So I went with Fusion Mineral Paint Plaster. So my paint is completely dry, and I'm going to apply Mod Podge so the napkin can adhere to the drawer. So I just want to apply a thin coat. Now I'm using a bristle brush, but you can certainly use a foam brush. Now I want to place my napkin on top. This could be a little tricky. This is going to be going into my painting studio, so I'm not too fussed about it. Basically going to try to center it. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put some saran wrap, plastic wrap, on top of it. Since the napkin is very delicate and it could rip easily. I'm just going to start from the center and go out, just to avoid some wrinkles. I'm sure I will get some wrinkles, but that's okay. Scrunch up your saran wrap. Okay, let that dry. Okay, so while that's drying, it takes about 15 minutes to dry. Just thought I would embellish the side of the drawer. This is going to be sitting on a shelf in my studio. So I thought, well, why not paint the sides? So I'll show you what I did here. And I picked this color, which is turquoise from Artist Loft acrylic. And I thought it would go well with the little moped. I guess that's called a moped. So basically what I did is I used the Redesigned by Prima Stick and Style stencil roll. And I'll just show you. So this is what it looks like. And this is a 6-inch roll, but it also comes in a 4-inch roll. And basically you just unravel it, stick it to your surface, and basically stencil. These are great. And basically I'm just going to use, like I said, the acrylic paint. You can use a stipple brush. In this case, I'm just using a flat brush to apply it on here. This is completely dry and I love the color. And our decoupage is nice and dry as well. I just want to show you when you're putting a napkin on, you can cut it to size or you can shred the edges. In this case, I just used a sanding sponge and I just basically went down and removed the excess. I've got a little bit down here. I'm just going to run sanding sponge. There you go. Easy as that. Okay, so the next step is to seal the napkin. So I'm going to put one more coat of the decoupage. Of the Mod Podge. So we'll let that one dry. This is another project that I did with another drawer with napkin from LC Decoupage, nice roses. So this one I base painted it with a soft light pink. It was a custom mix in the Fusion line. And I also applied another stencil on the side. This one's called a Cornell Garden, and it's also from the Stick and Style from Redesigned by Prima. So this one was just a 4-inch stencil. So once the decoupage has dried, depending on the use of the project that you're decoupaging, you might want to actually seal it. So you'll notice on this side, hopefully you can see the difference. This side I've already sealed it, so it's a little bit shinier. And this one only has the decoupage on top. So simple to apply. And I'm using a little bristle brush, but a foam brush works as well, if not better. Find these little chip brushes lose their bristles. Anyway, so we just apply it. And this will protect your piece. Now for my case, this is going to be in my painting studio, so if I have any paint splatters on it, then I could probably easily remove it. I'm going to use this one to house some of my big painting bottles. there you have it. 2 little projects with 2 drawers that were just sitting there. Now I'll be able to use them. Hope you enjoyed watching this quick video. Feel free to leave me any feedback in the comments below. Hi, I'm Jacqueline. Thank you for watching.